Okay, I want to speak rubbish. So anybody that mind you listen. I will use both pidgin and I'll use both English. You understand? So according to the Bible, God laid the curse on both Adam and Eve. He told Adam, you're gonna till the ground, like it's going to he go hard you. Like if you dey work for food, that's if you dey hustle, e go hard you before you go see results. Like you go work tire before you go see food chop. And it cost women. Their childbirthing and all those things is going to be hard. Now, God did not curse Eve, that is women, because we have generalized Eve, like Eve now because of Eve, God they curse women. So let me put it like that. God now did not curse women that it's going to be hard for us to hustle. So now, if now only men, if men they hustle, it's supposed hard for them. Now, if men they farm, it's supposed hard for them. But women, based on this course is not for. That's why you see that most times women, like when women wants to work, it gets easy for them. They see results, like things begin to flow well. Like that thing where they had that man have to sweat, have to do things. It will be easier for women. That's why you see that most times, even most homes are the women actually work. The women actually work. They are breadwinners. Most of the families that people are not even saying online, most of the women, they are breadwinners. Why? Because it's easier for the women to make profit, or so to it's just easier for women. But only things that the only thing where they bring us down, we women, and if we don't do this childbirth where they say hard to take care of children, this motherhood way they had, where do you expect us to see that strength now to come the hustle? Now, God don't curse us now, say childbirth go dey hard. You men, you people now they force us now. No say force us, you are required. That's we women, we are required that when we enter into partnership or marriage or to start a family with the man, we must give birth. That is facing our course, right? We must pass through that course. We must suffer that thing. No matter how labor it is, people go say labor sweet, labor not 30 minutes. You must still pass through that pain. It just still differs. The pain just differs. You, one person, one woman, your own pain feel small. The other one, your own pain go dey very complicated and very, very hard. The same thing as men. When you are hustling, yours might be smoother, while others they go see shege before they fit make money for this life. So we don't pass through this course now. Why una come dey expect us to share una course with now? I go talk say even if we born as a woman, you still need to dey work. Oga, face your course, hustle, take care of the family, face your course. See, some woman don born for you, whether na baby mama, whether you never marry or not, that woman don face your own course for your life. So face your course and provide for that damn woman. Provide for that woman. Face your course. No dey tell me say as a woman, if I'm working, I'm coming, baby. If I'm working, it's because I just want to work and just support. May not be like say person just dey idle. But then because they tell me say it's not only the man that will be providing. As a woman, you say you need to work, provide for the waiting guinea one. Provide for the waiting guinea one. When I did that labor, they cry, they shout. Now only sorry, they tell me, did you face the pain with me? So hustle that hustle. To face that cost. Men na too lazy for this life. Now woman go do everything. Now woman go clean. Now woman go work. Now still want me woman still work for. Now they share responsibility now. Now they craze for it. Now they colo. And these men, they know that the only thing they have to offer is their provision. We are talking about protection. Protection where the people where they government, are they not men? What is they protect us for? No be bound with everywhere. So let's skip that protection part. Now God they protect human being. The physical thing they see, the evidence they see, koro. Now be the provision. They know that this provision is the only thing they can offer. That's our responsibility. That's why you see that most men don't want their women to work. Because if women start to dey work now, it can't be the thing now to come show say yes, they are doing their responsibility. Those are the men that have sense. But you now will not get sense. Where okay, even those ones that have sex, even the ones that haven't allowed their women to work, but they don't allow you work, yes, as a wife or as a woman, but it's your choice to partake in the responsibility. But not if not be say you can't tell the wife say, hey, as I don't provide school fees, you provide that center, as I don't provide this one, you provide that one. Like you go can't tell the woman say by force say she must provide. Don't do that, please. Don't do that. Please don't do that. If woman wants support, don't make it a must. And you as a woman, keep man not talk sharp. So I just decided to spill this rubbish. I don't know if it makes sense or not, though. But if it don't make sense, bye. At the end of the day, Adam, face your Adam. Eve, face your Eve. If you are reading the Bible, everybody face yourself. That's just it. Now, God be just come my bed. Just talk. Why did I even post this video on TikTok? But anyhow, if it makes sense, comment that's what I said. But if it don't make sense, no insult me, oh, no insult me. Just go pass. Bye bye.